Yo guys, what's happening? This is vlog number 2. We are back in San Juan. We're about to go check out the Cathedral de San Juan, which is right in front of me. It's still super windy outside, so sorry about that wind noise. But yeah, let's go check it out. So it was super quiet in there, so I'll go ahead and play the B-roll right now. So that's what it looked like. It was pretty cool in there. Not super my style, but still very interesting and part of the history of the city, which is kind of cool. Now I'm gonna go try to find a place to get like a brunch, lunch, breakfast thing. It's around 11 o'clock right now and I still haven't eaten yet, which probably isn't good. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to find a restaurant. So I just found this little cafe that serves empanadas. I got a chicken empanada and then a turkey empanada. And then just a bottle of water, you know, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and smash this meal. So that place was okay, not the best. The empanadas were like a little dry, didn't really have a lot of flavor. So, but it hit the spot, you know. I was starving, so that always helps. It's starting to rain now, so I'm gonna go try to find a cab back to Cali Maurice. Might go for a swim or something like that, so I'll catch you back at the Airbnb. Hey guys, so it ended up raining when I got back to the apartment, so I couldn't go swimming outside, which kind of sucked. So now I'm gonna hop in an Uber and head to a restaurant because I'm starving. During that time, the past, since it was raining outside, I was just editing the vlog, so nothing big. Cool, I'm gonna hop in now. Hey guys, so I just got here, and it is horrifically windy. If you look around this corner, you won't be able to hear me with the wind noise, but it is like super windy. Like look, if you look behind me, all the trees are going crazy, and the waves are incredible. So I'm gonna go around this corner, I'm gonna shoot a time lapse for you guys of how crazy this wind looks, and water is just like splashing waves and crazy. So let's go check it out. So yeah, after walking 3 miles, I ended up here at this great burger place, and it's still pouring rain outside. It sucks. If you look, like it's wet and gross and not cool at all. So I'm gonna jump in a Uber and get a ride back to Cali Monsante to the Airbnb and edit some vlogs. Sorry today was short, guys. It's just so rainy and windy, you can't really videotape outside. So, I'll catch you back at the apartment.